Michelle. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad to see you here today. Well, today I'm going to be working on a look that's inspired by my favorite fall beverage, my favorite fall drink, and that would be a raspberry white chocolate latte. You know, I used to go to Starbucks, probably last year I would go maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, and I have not been going there much at all. I think since COVID and all of the pandemic started, I maybe have gone there twice in a whole 6-month block. So it's been a while, but that's where I usually go to get that wonderful flavored drink, and I will probably do that pretty soon. Well, I was tagged by Olivia from Makeup Fun with Olivia. Hi, Olivia. I am so happy that she tagged me. Thank you so much, Olivia. She came up with this idea of creating a look that's inspired by our favorite fall drink. And I jumped right on it because I think it's a great idea. And I also asked some other ladies if they would like to collab with me in this event. So I asked Wendy from MakeupFunWithOlivia, Wendy. You will love her. Please go check out her channel. She's an over 50 gal. All of us are in this collab. And she is really great. She will show us natural remedies. She will do some get ready with me. She will do some product reviews. And also she's a very artistic person that has made a pair of earrings that I bought. So go check her out. You will really enjoy her. And then she's going to have a look that's inspired by her favorite fall drink. The next person that I have in this collab is the wonderful Sheila. And she is from Inside Beauty with the Old Girl. I met her just recently and I just immediately thought, oh, I love this lady. She is so awesome. So she's rather new to the makeup world, so it's going to be fun to see what look she comes up with. And she likes to show her declutter and organization. She likes to show fashion, and she does like to show makeup. She'll show us her favorites and her purses, and it's just fun to get to know her. And then the final person in this collab, and I am not giving these in any particular order, they're all great, would be Elena with Elena Jenkins. That's her channel name. And she does product reviews and she does lots of makeup looks. And I really need to take some lessons from her. And she'll also do unboxings. And the cool thing about Elena is also that she has a DIY channel that's separate from her Elena Jenkins channel. And so if you're into DIY projects, you might want to go check her out for that as well. So I will have the links to all of their inspired look videos down in my description box. Please go check them out. You are going to love them all, and you'll love Olivia also. If you would like to see how I came up with this look, then please stay tuned. see the finished look and how I got there. Do you see my inspiration, the raspberry white chocolate latte? I feel like you can see that in my look, especially reflected in my hair and my jacket, the whole total package. And I can't wait to go drink one of those. That's going to be a really great treat one of these days. And I'll be doing that very soon when the weather cools off. It's going to be great. I can't wait. And maybe you'll want to try one too. Who knows? Maybe I've inspired you. Thank you for joining me. Please go check out all of the ladies that were in this collab. I've got their links down below in the description box. And go visit Olivia too. I'm telling you, if you like my channel, you're going to love these ladies. Please give us all some support. We would really appreciate that. So please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. And don't forget to hit that little bell so that you'll be notified when I have new videos come out. Have a great week. And remember, please be kind to someone this week because it could really make a difference to them. Talk to you later. Bye.